prepared you to be leaders of change. And so, go and use your education to contribute positively to your communities, to promote justice, sustainability, and innovation. Fourth, value collaboration and diversity. These are all under our 10 graduate attributes. The brightest ideas come from different perspectives and from working together. And finally, remain resilient and optimistic. Challenges are always inevitable, but they are also opportunities for growth and discovery. To our parents, guardians, spouses, sponsors, family members, and friends, we say thank you so much for your support. If it wasn't to be your unwavering resilience and support, we wouldn't be here celebrating as we are. Aba bahanga b'igihugu cyangwa b'ibihugu twizihiza uyu munsi babayeho kubera ubwitange, umurava no kwigomwa kwa mwese. Ababyeyi, abarezi, abavandimwe, ababarihiye amashuri kuva bakiri mu mashuri abanza, yisumbuye ndetse na kaminuza, n'abandi mwese tutarondora ahangaha, mwagize uruhare kugira ngo tugere kuri ibi birori. Mu izina rya Kaminuza y'u Rwanda turabashimiye mwese byimazeyo, mwarakoze kuba hafi y'aba banyeshuri bacu barangiza uyu munsi, kubashyigikira, kubizera no kubihanganira, bakabagora rimwe na rimwe, ariko ntimutezuke. Turabibashimiye cyane. To our partners, we are jealously treasuring our ongoing engagements with you, industry operators, employers, and professional associations to ensure our programs, training models, and research priorities remain practical, relevant, and responsive to current market needs that are evolving. Through internships, applied learning, and innovation-driven teaching, you are bridges the gap between academic theory and workplace reality. We are so grateful to you, the industry partners that are committedly partaking in this journey, right from the preparation and development of the design of the curriculum up to implementing it, and later by accommodating our trainees for internships. Together, we have committed not just to educate merely for employment, but for entrepreneurship, leadership, and innovation. To get to this, and thanks to our different partners, like most of you are here present that I cannot list, but among them we have UNDP, GIZ and BK Foundation, and others, we are establishing innovation hubs and career centers on almost all our campuses to facilitate the environment and cultivate for creativity and innovation. We thank you so much for that. Back to our graduates. This is your time as you are graduating. So this is your time as you are graduating to go and showcase what you have learned, the skills you have acquired. Rwanda's future, and of course the future of all our sister countries where you come from, all our graduates come from different countries, depend on thinkers and doers, problem solvers who design solutions and shape industries. As you take your next steps, therefore, carry with you Rwanda's enduring values: integrity, accountability, unity, and excellence. True transformation begins with the belief that you hold the power to craft your own destiny. Think boldly, act responsibly, and let your character reflect the best of who you are. However, even though you are leaving our different campuses where you have been trained from and where you have been living for a good number of years, remember that the University of Rwanda remains your intellectual home. Stay connected as proud alumni, return as